Morning, boys and girls. Welcome to another week and a few more lessons that I have prepared for you. Today we are going to be focusing on geometric patterns. Now, geometric, it sounds like a big word, but it's just a very fancy word for a shape. So geometric patterns mean shape patterns. So it'll be your squares, your triangles, your circles, any shape. So now, when we're looking at geometric patterns, boys and girls, we have touched on it in class this year, but let me just refresh your memories. There are 3 different types of patterns you can get. I'm going to be teaching Ryan and Emily, so pay attention, girls. Right, the first kind of pattern we get is a repeating pattern. Now, a repeating pattern means that if I'm saying circle, square, square, circle, square, circle, square, circle. I am going, those are my 2 shapes, and I'm just repeating the pattern over and over again. You then get the second kind of pattern you get is called an increasing pattern. Now, an increasing, if you know what the word increasing means, it means it is getting bigger. So I maybe have, I'll use the same shapes, square, circle, square, square, circle, circle, square, 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 circle, circle, circle. So as you can see, I've started with 1 of each shape, then I've gone on to 2 of each shape, then 3 of each shape. And our third type of pattern we get, boys and girls, is called a decreasing pattern. Now we know the word decreasing means it is getting smaller. So I start with my big amount. So 3 circles, 3 squares, then I go into 2 circles, 2 squares, and obviously then I'm going to end with 1 circle, 1 square. So boys and girls, those are our 3 types of patterns. So if you look at those words again, repeating, we are just using the same shape over and over again. Right? Increasing. Emily, what does increasing mean?
It's going higher.
It's going higher, where it's getting?
Bigger.
Bigger. And then we've got decreasing, Riley P. What does that mean? It's getting smaller. Okie dokie. So let's have a look. Riley and Emily have got some patterns in front of them that I quickly made them. So let's see how we do. Emily, you can look at the first one for us.
Did you draw this?
I did. Right, so we've got triangle, triangle, circle, triangle, triangle, circle, triangle, triangle, circle. What do you think will come next?
A triangle, and then another triangle. Is it like this?
Yes, good. And then so what kind of pattern do you think it is?
A repeating
pattern. A repeating. So this pattern is repeating, right? Repeating on that line there. Is repeating. Okay, we must know these words, boys and girls. You must. This is the vocab connected to geometric patterns. So we have to know what they are trying to tell us. Then, Riley P., let's look at the next one with you. Let's have a squizzy, baby. Okay, so we've got circle, square, triangle, circle, circle, square, square, triangle, triangle. What will be next?
Circle, 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 square, 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 triangle, triangle, triangle.
And this pattern is, what is it? Increasing, decreasing? It is?
Increasing.
Increasing. So it's getting bigger. You can see, boys and girls, we started with 1 of each shape, then we went on to 2 of each shape, then 3 of each shape. Okay, Emsley, let's look at the third one with you. Okay, so we have got, good girl. Okay, so we got, you have a look at that and tell me if you can see what kind of a pattern. Tell me the shapes.
Square, 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 circle, 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 square, 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 circle, circle, circle.
So what do you think is going to come next?
Square, square, circle, circle.
Square, square, circle, circle. And what kind of a pattern do you think it is?
Decreasing.
Decreasing, because we started with 4 of each shape.
That's like the pattern on the board.
Yes, we started with 4 of each shape, and now we're getting smaller and smaller and smaller. So that pattern is decreasing. So boys and girls, you should find this pretty easy to follow. We have done it before. So on the next slide, I'm going to give you some examples to do, and we're just going to refresh our memories on how geometric patterns work. So remember the vocab, a repeating pattern, an increasing pattern, or a decreasing pattern. Okay, tomorrow we're going to go on to number patterns. So I hope you enjoy the slide after this and then join us for tomorrow's lesson. Bye!